What is an industrial park? It's a designated area for industrial manufacturing, logistics, and commercial businesses. It makes production, storage, distribution, and other industrial processes easier. Main characteristics. Strategic location. They are located near highways, railways, ports, or airports to facilitate the transportation of raw materials and products. Specialized infrastructure. They include facilities such as industrial warehouses, storage facilities, offices, and networks of basic services such as water, electricity, gas, and telecommunications. Shared services, security, waste management, common areas, internal transportation. Zoning and regulation. They regulate activities, reducing conflicts in residential or commercial areas. Tax benefits. Local governments offer tax breaks to promote investment. Advantages: efficiency in operating costs, reduction of logistics times, greater security for employees, regional economic development. Examples of uses: manufacturing of cars, appliances, textiles, storage and distribution, food processing, technology production. In short, an industrial park maximizes the productivity and efficiency of businesses. Newmark Commercial Realty. Contact Andy Perez, SIR 809-705-5831 and visit our website, newmarkcommercialrealty.com. Like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you and see you next time.